Here is exactly how the human body loses fat based on biology and biochemistry. Please stay to the end, where we will dispel the untruths and old wives' tales that are told to us by people selling diet plans and miracle cures. These are the fat storage basics. Body fat is stored in adipocytes, fat cells, primarily as triglycerides, which are molecules made of glycerol and fatty acids. These are your body's long-term energy reserves. To lose fat, you must burn more energy than you consume. This is called a caloric deficit. When your body doesn't get enough energy from food, it turns to stored fat for fuel. There is a hormonal signal to mobilize fat when a caloric deficit occurs. Your levels of insulin drop sharply, and catecholamines, like adrenaline, rise. These hormonal changes activate an enzyme called hormone-sensitive lipase, HSL, inside fat cells. Breaking down triglycerides, lipolysis. HSL breaks down triglycerides into free fatty acids, FFAs, and glycerol. These are then released into the bloodstream. FFAs travel through the blood, bound to a protein called albumin. Tissues like muscle and liver take in FFAs and use them in the mitochondria for energy through a process called beta oxidation. Glycerol is sent to the liver, where it can be used for energy or converted to glucose. Fat is lost as gas and water. But here's the surprising part. When fat is metabolized, you exhale most of it as carbon dioxide, CO2, and the rest leaves the body as water through sweat, urine, and breath. As an example, to lose 10 kilograms of fat, you breathe out about 8.4 kilograms as CO2 and excrete 1.6 kilograms as water. What doesn't happen? Fat doesn't turn into muscle. Fat isn't sweated out or lost just from specific areas. Spot reduction is a myth. It's not burned away as heat. The heat is a byproduct of increased metabolism, not fat loss itself. I hope this dispels all the myths and old wives' tales you hear. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.